Hello, creatives here on your journey. This is just a little update from HQ here at the Creative Space Academy there. So when you go into your account there, you're going to see that not only we have for got our onboarding one-on-one, but I want to show you this little feature. You'll see the little pretty little this right here, this information bar. Well, guess what? If you click on that, you got the home, which is going to have, you getting started, all this good stuff over here, but it's also going to have a guided tour. So what the guided tour does is that you can pick any subject in here and it'll give you a guided tour on how to do that. So I'm just doing a guided tour right now on context and smart lists. And so once you click on there, it's going to load up for you and you're going to be able to, it'll go through smart list other ways to do this and that or the third. And it's going to allow you to go through just a guided tour of it. So you'll get an understanding of exactly what it does exactly on my style, how I teach there, where we go through step by step what each and every particular thing does. Okay. So when you go in there and you just want to get down in the nitty gritty in there, you're going to be able to. Okay. So another one is, let's go to maybe reputation manager over there. That's it's guided step on the reputation manager. Okay. So on the reputation manager, it will go through and guide you through anything. So if our customer service or whatever is closed at the time and we can't get to you, you can always hit the guided tour, but always know, get on the calendar. What's definitely not here will get you going. So I just wanted to update you guys with that, so you guys also know that support, oh yeah, we got it, baby. We have your onboarding support. Not only that, we have your guided tours, which takes you step by step and show you whatever that you need. So I am excited to be offering that to you guys as well. There's no additional cost for that, nothing like that. um it's there, and again, you can go through each one, even from automations. It'll walk you through and begin to explain automations to you, and it does that step by step. Okay, it tells you what each and all this little stuff does, etc. And you just go through in there, because I know that can be kind of confusing at times, but again, you just click on it and it'll help you walk you through. So until next time, talk to you guys later. God bless.